so much for clicking on this video and visiting me here on my channel Reshmi_beauty around the world. And on Instagram and YouTube it's Reshmi_beauty around the world. So if you want to PM me or see before I post a video what I got, go to Instagram and follow me there. And today we are here because I got a lot of messages regarding my Carnelian bracelet, how I wear it, how I take care of it. Do I take it to the shower? Do I take it to the pool? Do I go traveling with it? And how it's holding up, the wear and tear. I got this bracelet last year. Let me purchased this Carnelian bracelet around 6 months ago, and since then it has not left my wrist. The Carnelian bracelet is the one I wear all the time, and as you know, I purchased some other bracelet over the time also, but the Carnelian bracelet is the one I always wear because the Cartier stack and the Carnelian bracelet is always on my wrist because I feel it gives a nice pop of color. And I did, of course, research before I bought Carnelian. It has the same hardiness on most hardness scale like the onyx, and what I found is also that the Carnelian is less porous than the onyx, which means the onyx lets in more substances, liquid substances, and absorbs them than the Carnelian. So I from the beginning put it on my wrist and kept it there. I was one time when I bought the hammered gold sweet size earrings in the rose gold. I went to the store because that was an online purchase. I was not too sure if everything is all right, so I had them check it there, and the sales associate, it was so kind and nice to say, okay, while I'm checking all this, I'll give your Carnelian to my colleague and he can clean it up. The Carnelian also, from what I see, I didn't even feel it needs a clean up, but from what I saw and heard, the onyx also gets very patchy, and the Carnelian I don't have the problem at all with, and I will show you in a minute close-ups. But for wear, I do wear it to sleep, to put it once now in a video because I got really a lot of messages on Instagram asking me these things. I do sleep with it, I shower with it, I drive with it, I cook with it, I clean with it, I do everything with it. The only thing I make sure is, for example, I have a spray conditioner for my hair. When I spray that on, I put this arm a little away and spray this on. So I do this kind of effort, but not too much. It's very carefree for me to wear, and you will see when I show you the close-up that this has zero wear so far, and I'm very happy about it. And the reason I did decide to wear it 24/7 is, number one, to get my investment money back, because the more you wear it, the more cost per wear comes out. And I decided to wear the Carnelian most of the time because you can, if for example a stone should shrink, which should not happen with Carnelian, or anything happens, you can go to VCA and replace the stone. And yes, a lot of ladies will say, but they force you to replace 5 stones at once, and that's super pricey. I have it in writing from my SA that if I need a stone replacement, they will replace 1 stone. They will make the effort of looking for that stone and replace that stone. So I feel confident to wear it all the time, and if I need a stone replacement, I will go ahead and do that stone replacement. And I will do another video, so if you haven't subscribed yet, and I see that YouTube told me, I get monthly emails that most of you are not subscribed. So if you are interested in jewelry and bags, please subscribe to this channel so you don't miss the next videos, because next I will also do a wear and tear on the guilloche, which is not so simple. But today we are talking about Carnelian and wear and tear and how I wear it, what I do with it, and now we will go a little closer. So you guys, first I show you the carnelian on my wrist, and then I will take it off my wrist and show you how it looks on without any background, because as we all know, the carnelian is translucent. You can watch my first video. I have a lot of information in my first video when I unboxed this piece. I will link it below, and you will hear there all about the color, the translucentness, and what color variations it's coming in. So I'm not talking about that in this video anymore, and now I'm taking it off to show. My carnelian, I will insert a picture when I hold it up, and it's not against the background, is a true deep berry red. When the sun hits it, it becomes a bright red. I have a lot of shorts about this carnelian. If you are interested, you can go and look how it changes the color from light to shadow. And as you can see, there are no scratches or anything, and the cleaning happened like 1.5 to 2 months ago. Since then I didn't do anything with it anymore. So some people complain that these beads around gets stuck at clothes or hair. It didn't happen for me, and they are still, the setting is still as if it was new. Nothing has happened, or no stone is loose. And now we are flipping it over to look at the other side. Like really no scratches, no nothing on the carnelian so far. And another thing is that after a little bit of practice, it took me exactly 1 second to put this back on. It gets super easy to put it back on. I did also not modify it. I did not take out any links or anything. I kept it at the original state because number one, it fits me quite well. I don't need to do that. And number two, when they take out the links, I observed they do it sometimes irregular, so it will not be regular how they take the links out, and sometimes they forget to send you the links back. So unless I lose 50 pounds, I'm not removing any links. And also I like to wear this as a necklace, which I will also do a video about soon, what I use to extend it and how it looks as a necklace. And I hope you found this video informative, and if you have any more questions, please leave me a comment, or like always, PM me on Instagram, and I'm happy to get back to you. I see you in the next one. Bye.